Yeah, this is Toxic Swag King Richard coming back with a new video. Today we're gonna do a project review on the Keurig Cake Cup series. I'm pretty sure this retails for $99 and 99 cents. But I'm gonna show you how to use it, and it's pretty simple. Makes 1 cup per serving, and they have tons of options for coffee and tea. But I drink coffee, so I'm gonna make a cup of coffee and show you how to use the machine. So this is me making a cup of coffee. Turn it on, wait a couple minutes to start up, heat up, get my Tim Hortons K-Cup. Here's a selection. They got French vanilla, Colombian, classic, dark roast, and another kind. I'm gonna use the original. Put that in my cup. Oh, nope, forgot the sugar. Get some sugar first. I'd put sugar in before so it dissolves easier into the hot liquid. And turn it on, press the 1 cup. And it's going to take a little bit to start brewing, but it only takes about 45 seconds to brew a whole cup. So it's quick and easy, way faster than brewing a whole cup of coffee. And when you're in the morning, you're on the go, you don't really have time to drink a whole cup of coffee, pot of coffee. You just need 1 cup, quick and easy, get out the door, So it's not bad. I'm gonna let this finish brewing, and I'll be back. Another thing with Keurig K-Cup machine, you can also make tea. I know my mom likes doing that. She makes tea. And yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. It makes tea and coffee. 1 serving. But that limits waste. And you brew a whole coffee and it's all drank up. So now I add my cream. A couple shots of cream. Give it a stir. Take this up. Yep.
That's good.
Savor it, and that's good. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, please leave a like. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe for more product reviews and other content. We're trying to do some challenges coming up. I'm down for a good challenge. I got the push-up challenge due Wednesday at 1 p.m. That's where I'm going to start it, based off likes and subscribes. So if you haven't yet, please contribute. Go over to that video. I'll link it as the next video. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.